BCIT's Aircraft Structures course starts September 8th at the Richmond Aerospace Campus. When you look up at the sky and you see an aircraft flying by, what are you looking at? You're looking at principally structure, from the main airframe to the wings and the winglets, the tail, and even the engines. Engines are cowled inside of structures. So in our course, the technician will learn about how to maintain, modify, and inspect basic or even advanced composite airframes. We start off in the beginning with your more simple aircraft. This is a fabric-covered aircraft that we'll be probably working on at some point, pulled over a tubular structure. We'll work our way towards the more advanced carbon fiber and aramid fiber type composite aircraft, and we will spend a fair amount of time learning those techniques as well. Just as an example, this is our 737, which has been just opened up in order to gain access to the main part of the structure. We can see here there's going to be inspections carried out and some repair work carried out inside of the fuselage. Students will have the opportunity to spend time learning about how to install, remove rivets, and learn all the techniques related to special fasteners and different ways of putting airframes together. Here's the toolbox of the standard sheet metal technician, and here's our shop where we have all the equipment needed to cut, bend, form, shrink, stretch, and modify different types of aluminum and aluminum alloys for the airframe. Here's our composite box, the standard tools for a composite technician, a good set of scissors, a die grinder, and some specialty equipment. In our composite shop, we have all the needed equipment for carrying out different types of manufacture and repair, from heated repairs and pressurized repairs using standard materials such as fiberglass, aramid fiber, and of course the keystone of most construction in today's world, carbon fiber. So come and join us. Become an aircraft craftsman in the BCIT Structures course starting September 8th.